Temporary use only.
What are you doing?
Quite feel to be driving.
Not fun. There are lots of imbeciles on the road.
Which brings me to my point.
What?
Women are much more aggressive drivers than men.
Huh?
I believe that honestly. I'm in the passenger seat to the neighbors. Good day to you. Welcome back.
Whose phone ringing?
Welcome back to another episode of Me and My House. I'm here sitting in the passenger seat for a good, 20-30 minutes now. I say women are really much more aggressive on the road. They display more aggression on the road.
It's who used to do that. Who used to do that? Which?
I don't know. I don't know, but generally, because it brings me back, it calls me to pause and think about in the mornings when I come in. That might be a sign.
I got into too much hogwash.
In the mornings when I go into my car and children to school, and I just trying to merge in a lane. The ones that give me the most difficult times. We're not even moving fast. There's no great grounds to make up.
On a highway reversing. On a highway with 3 lanes reversing. Have to be a man.
You don't know that it's a tinted car, it's a taxi.
Look here, no one are not going to do something like that. You see me? And this is why the statistics are so against you, men.
I tried to finish my point, and she, because she ran the stairs, she just don't even allow me to talk. It's something about when they get in front of the steering wheel, man, because I've seen the men, like, we're side by side sitting in traffic, and it's just like, you're not going to them, and then press the gas and brake. I mean, it's like, you move 6 inches, gas brake.
Yeah, try to get it on the lane.
I'm like, what?
Yeah, inch.
What? Why?
Anyway, you're inching toward a stoplight, so you ain't going nowhere.
You ain't going nowhere. But so on the way to Forestry's corporation.
See, you never tell the people that
Jamaica.
you're going Forestry department.
Right, I keep thinking of Factories Corporation, and it's Forestry's department of Jamaica.
You never give them the heads up that there is another tree free giveaway on the National Tree Planting Initiative.
This is the heads up, guys, but by the time you've seen it, it would be already gone. So this one is things that they're selling, as well as some things they're giving away. So we're going there to see. We really want poetries. We're not going to get no big haul because I think we have a good amount of trees.
Yes, but we want but
we need some poetries.
Because to shade that big old lawn that we have. Boy, when you go down there, and it's like midday, the place hot, especially like now that summer is fast approaching. The cool temperatures are warming up. We're getting less cool days and nights and more warm days. So when we go down there, man, it's like the bare ground. The sun just a beat off of the ground. Have to have some shade, more shade over the lawn area.
Yeah, to add to what shade the tambourine tree is already providing. So yeah, we're on the way. Everybody's in the car. All the children under 5 years old. Hannah is at home preparing for her external examinations. About those good old days when you're fretting about C-second, so she's preparing SBAs and stuff like that. So yeah.
For the people who don't know, school-based assessment.
Yeah, school-based assessment.
Not everybody is from the Commonwealth Caribbean.
CXC is the Caribbean Examination Council. CSEC is the examination equivalent to GCE, or I guess what they call it in the USA.
SATs?
No, SAT is like Cape. GCE, they might have
GSE.
Some. Oh boy. The
SATs,
school leaving thing. No, SAT is like
SATs.
to get into college.
Right. Well,
I can't remember what it is.
GED.
GED. Ah, GED. So that's what she's preparing for, and that is your list of acronyms and abbreviations for the day. So after Forestry's department, we go with the aggressive driver.
What?
Look at this neighbors, it's a truck full of cows. I don't see this, I couldn't tell if I've ever seen this happen.
In town?
Anywhere. I guess I've never been. Usher.
Hello, cows. Moo. Hello, please. I'm driving.
You're driving, okay. Pass it.
Oh, where's the entrance?
Pass it.
I didn't see the entrance.
So we are heading to Forestry department. I have a tax office. I don't know if it's a sign or what.
Forestry department.
Tina drove past
I
the
could
thing.
not see the entrance. You were supposed to be keeping a lookout for it.
Anyway, I use this as a plug. Remember to pay taxes by March 15. They become due. Alright? Anything else you want to say about taxes?
Nope.
Okay. Let's see if we can actually find the real entrance to go in.
Can you look out? And we're going to have to go all the way around because there are barriers going all the way down
Okay, I'll look out.
in the middle of the road.
Big up to all the immaculate people in the neighborhood. Top school. Big up to all the New Life Assembly people in the neighborhood. Top church.
Can you look for the entrance to the place and come off the phone?
Big up to all the floor and Super Valley Fresh Foods customers in the neighborhood. Alright, so I think we want to go over there. Oh, there's a turn right here. Okay, we made it to the Forestry's Department of Jamaica.
It's not Forestry's department, it's just Forestry.
Oh, whatever. You get the point. Neighbors. FDJ. Let's start calling that FDJ.
Then where to search us?
I don't have anything on me. You have anything on you? Anything you want to declare? I like being a passenger. I can give a lot of trouble.
Oh boy. Hello. Hi. Afternoon. Where's the nursery? We're going to the nursery. Tina and Paul Reed.
So this is where we're supposed to park, and I guess the scrimmage goalposts are there as some. There are fixtures in the field. I mean. Yeah, so the scrimmage goalpost, you just have to make sure you park around it, right? Alright, so what was it we need from here for sure is lychee. $1,000 for the seedling. We'll have most of all of these things already. We have guinea? I don't think we have guinea.
Just have a seat here.
So after much debate and backing and forthing, we finally made up our minds and figured out what we needed. Alright, you see the problem now?
This is a pretty tall tree.
And it's two of them. This is the moringas. Let me tell you quickly before I forget.
Oh, and they grow so quickly.
So moringa 1 and 2, right? I have the queen. Don't forget to know these are the queen flowers.
Okay.
The other two is lychees.
Tamarind.
Lychees are the other pair, couple here. Sweet tamarind, jackfruit.
Right. Sweet tamarind because I'm going to cut down that jackfruit, that tamarind tree at the front of the yard, and plant one of my jacaranda trees right there.
Asking for a short moringa tree.
Can it lie flat on the Leila and Zahra's foot for the time being, or on the Ina Ava's foot until we get home?
Alright, let's see how this goes. So we found space for these around here. The trunk. And the really tall, so this is one here. And the really tall one is literally between, don't trouble it. Between Leila and Zahra. Hey neighbors. So it's Monday morning. Happy new week. Every week is supposed to start nice and bubbly and perfect. But clearly not every week. And sometimes in the middle of the week you get a little bump or obstacle. and sometimes it will greet you first thing in the morning, like a flat tire. Ava, what do we have going on here? What is it? Tire is flat, right?
No.
No, it is flat.
Huh?
The tire is flat. Look. Why is that the driving on such bald tires?
No.
That's a different question. But yeah, got up this morning. Noticed that the vehicle had a. It looks softer. The tire looks softer than the others. But we're able to drop Leila and Zahra to school. Got some air in it. But by the time we got the air in it, time we reach back home, it's flat, like flat. So I had to take out the spare from under here, which I've never had a vehicle. Hi.
Thank you.
I've never had a vehicle with the undercarriage being where the spare is kept. So apparently, and of course, big up to YouTube, because YouTube have everything. So I just looked up on YouTube. You go here and you loosen the hold under here. Turn away if you're not interested, but I'm sure some of the men and ladies too who can manage to change the tires are saying, you know what, this is something good.
Should learn to change their tires.
Should learn, but imagine if you get up in the morning, ladies, you dress up and so.
And if you don't have any neighbors who are handy enough to help you, you have to learn to help yourself.
True, but I'm telling you, the reason why I'm not being sexist or anything, but it take a good amount of effort. I had to eat breakfast first, because if I never eat nothing, I wouldn't be able to manage it. It's weighty, the tire itself weighty. I had to lift the thing that is holding the tire from under the little clip. So I had to lift it up beyond this and then drop it back down. So make sure, the lesson is, male or female, make sure you eat breakfast in the morning, so anything that comes in the day, you'll be able to manage it.
Oh, is that the lesson?
That's the lesson. Eat a healthy breakfast, because it helps when you want to manage anything. So spectating today is Ava. Say hi. Edie. And Sister Reed. You see them all have cheer. So I'm going to continue with my labor of love. I just make it look easy. It's not easy, guys. This first time I'm using the jack. First time I'm seeing the spare since I bought the car, which is very bad. Good thing the spare have air. And the jack feel like it want some oil. Yeah. Alright, so I'm 50% there, probably 60%.
No.
Yeah, man, the rest easy. We're now 85% there.
You stated.
Look what's in the block in the shot.
Go.
There you have it. Tires changed. The tire changed. It's not the most attractive tire.
Wash it off. It can rinse off. It's dusty.
Yeah, wow, there's just like this big gap, but it will do. temporary use only.
Excuse.
Hold on, I need to tighten the locks first.
Oh, you didn't?
I never tighten them, right? So I'm at Leila and Zahra school now, taking my time to drive and, you know, get them. But man, this spare tire really giving me a bumpy ride. It don't feel nice at all. So I'm going to change it when I get them and just go straight to the tire shop, and hopefully they have my size tire and I can start to right now, because it ain't pretty. It don't feel good. We're here. Alright, my tire size is 195, 65, 15. Give me one of that, please. You like it in here?
Yes. Did it buy a tire?
We did buy the tire. We're going to take this to Ricky.
Oh.
Man, to take this to Ricky, right? You ready? Come, we're going to take this to Ricky. Whoever Ricky is, come.
What?
So Leila says to me, how come the car, how come the tire is flat? Did it step on something? Which makes perfect sense. So I asked, did it step on something? Because normally when you step on something, on your foot or something, it hurt you, and then that must explain why the tire is off. She asked if the tire stepped on a knife.
I was sitting here, Layla.
Make no sense. Anyway, I'm going to Ricky now. Or Ricky to sort out our tire. Yes, baby? Leila, don't worry, we're going to look at something very exciting today. They're going to change our tires. Ricky. Up there, Ricky. Up. Alright, time for the tires to get changed. Everybody out. Everybody out. 1, 2, 3, out.
Our car.
He's going to lift up the car? Yes, he's going to lift it up. You're going to see. This is our new tire. Back up, Mr. Spear. You did a good job today. Oh, stay right here so I'll sort you out later. Bye bye. Ready to go now? High five, Zahra. High five.
Daddy, you forgot to say goodbye, sir.
Alright, so we're good again on the road. All I have left to do is get the car aligned, but I'm going to do it somewhere else that I'm more familiar with. But job done here, tire house, and Leila and Zahra got to see the process of the tire change. Go home time now.
I want this
I really don't know why the phone keeps falling in this vlog, but I'm going to take this last one as a sign that the vlog needs to end. So neighbors, it's been a good ride. Enjoy the weekend. Yeah, and until next time, big up from me and the house. Stay safe, make sure you know to change your tires in case you get a flat, alright? See you in the next vlog. Alright.